This video is near and dear to my heart because it has to do with my husband. My husband has been experiencing male pattern baldness for years, and he's very self-conscious about his hair loss. He's so self-conscious about his hair loss, he won't go anywhere without a hat. He's always got a hat on. It looks deceiving because he's got thicker hair on the sides than he does on the top. So when he has a hat on, it looks like he has a full head of hair, which he doesn't. What he looks like without his hat, and he's very self-conscious about it. That's why I agreed to do this video on this iRestore hair growth system, because it's clinically proven to help regrow your hair. My husband has never used anything like this before, so he's very hopeful that it's going to work. So I don't have any before and afters to share with you because we just got it. We just received it. He's only been using it for a couple of days. So I just kind of wanted to share with you what we got in our kit, and then in about 3 months, then we'll do an update video. Wash your hair with the shampoo and you massage it into your scalp for 2 minutes. Then you also do the same with the conditioner. Then you use the hair serum, and this stays in your hair. You don't rinse this out. So after you get out of the shower, you're going to use the hair serum. You apply a generous amount to the areas that you're treating and massage it in and leave it in. And it's recommended to use this twice a day. Next, you take the hair growth formula vitamins, special blend of biotin, antioxidants, and vitamin C that help promote hair growth. And the final step is to use the clinically proven LED laser light helmet. It has 282 lasers and LED lights. So it's going to cover the whole head. It also has these pads here, and for me, it fits pretty good on my head with the pads in, but with my husband, his head's bigger than mine, so it's more comfortable if we take the pads out. So they just pop right out, and you can see how you can just put them right back in. Really easy, and they just stay right there. Then you can either plug it in with your cord, and it's got a pretty substantial cord. It's about 6 feet, along with the cord on the helmet, which is another 4 feet, 3 or 4 feet. Or you can purchase the battery pack separately. Then you're not tethered to a cord. And this is really cool because it doesn't have a cord that you actually plug into the remote. It actually has a little sensor here and a magnet here, and you set it right on the battery pack, and then you can hook the battery pack on your belt loop or on your pocket, and you can just walk around with the helmet on your head. They have a safety precaution where it won't turn on unless it's actually on your head. You have to put it on your head and then turn the power on, and it automatically defaults to the 25 minutes. That's the recommended time to use the light. Then you just hit play and it starts your treatment. So you can see that it's on. But if I remove it from my head, it automatically turns off. So that's the safety feature that I really like, that because lasers and LED light can actually damage your eye because it is a laser and it's LED light. So you put it back on and hit play again or start, and it turns back on. So it's really a smart helmet. Because my husband's hair is so thick on the sides, we decided to give him a haircut before he started his treatments. So I'm going to actually show you how I cut his hair, and then you can see how thick his hair actually is on the side by the amount of hair that comes off when I cut his hair. These are the official before photos before he uses the iRestore hair regrowth system. We wanted to get really good close-up photos so that we could tell if this was really going to work for him. Then he started his laser light treatment. The treatments are 25 minutes every other day for the next 3 months. iRestore has a 5-star rating and has over 25,000 reviews. So if this is something that you're interested in, I'll have links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.